Ivana Graham, and I'm here today to talk about Dyslexia Tool Kit. We're going to discuss Chapter 9 today, and that's about the alternative path. An alternative path to reading that almost no one uses, but that can be extremely important for dyslexic students. The idea is that although most children learn to speak before they learn to read, and therefore it's the easiest path to reading is to connect the sounds of speech to the symbols on the page. That is not the only way to learn to read. And for some extremely dyslexic students that also have the ability eventually to read very, very fast, the pathway to that fast reading is this alternative path that bypasses sound and goes directly from the symbol on the page to the meaning or the comprehension of what that written text is about. So it bypasses sound entirely, and this is just completely out of the experience of most reading teachers, but it's a powerful tool to know about if you have a student who needs to go that route. So although most children learn to read by sounding out words, that's by no means the only way to read. You can also achieve reading comprehension by going directly from the symbols on the page to what they mean. And I explain that all in Chapter 9 of Dyslexia Tool Kit. So I hope you'll check that out.